Hello. I hope you have been enjoying your emails. This week we are offering a discount to our subscribers on our latest batch of Morocello, which is a lovely blood orange liqueur similar to a limoncello. And I thought I would show you my favorite way to drink it. First thing you'll need is a chilled champagne flute. Just pop it in the freezer for a minute or two before you're ready to make your cocktails. You don't need to measure, but about a single measure or 25 milliliters of Morocello. A little bit more. Top that up with some Prosecco. And then just to balance the sweetness and give it a dash of color, a drop of Aperol. Maybe a little more than a drop. And there you go, a Christmas morning posh Bucks Fizz, or a Lady Locksley. Cheers.